In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up unused CSS classes in Webflow. This process is crucial for maintaining an organized and efficient style sheet, ultimately enhancing your website's performance. We'll walk through every step, ensuring you're equipped with the know-how to keep your project's CSS lean and functional. First, we need to open the Style Manager within the Webflow Designer. To do this, direct your attention to the right-hand panel. There, you'll usually find an icon that looks like a paint palette or something related to styling. Clicking on this icon will open up the Style Manager, which is our gateway to managing classes effectively. Now that we have the Style Manager open, our next task is to access the Style Selector panel. This section inside the Style Manager houses a list of all CSS classes that are part of your current project. Understanding your project's style sheet in detail begins here, providing you with a broad overview of both active and dormant classes. As you look at this list, you may notice that some classes aren't applied anywhere on your site. We'll focus first on identifying these unused classes, as they can clutter up your CSS and impact overall performance. Here's where the Clean Up button, or sometimes a broom or trash can icon, becomes your best friend. By clicking on this, Webflow initiates a scan of your project, pinpointing any CSS classes that are no longer applied to any elements. These are typically displayed in a faded manner or marked with some form of visual indicator to differentiate them from active classes. It's a useful feature that prevents you from having to manually search and cross-reference every single style. Once the scan is complete, Webflow will show you a list of all unused classes it has found. Take this moment to thoroughly review the list provided. It's essential to ensure that you're not removing any classes you might want to use later. Just because a class is not actively applied doesn't necessarily mean it's unwanted. Be cautious here. You wouldn't want to delete something you may need in a future design iteration. After you've carefully reviewed the list and confirmed that there are no essential styles being accidentally marked for deletion, go ahead and remove those unused classes. By confirming their removal, you'll streamline your project's CSS, reducing clutter. This cleanup contributes to a tidier style sheet and often leads to better website performance due to the reduced size and complexity of your CSS files. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to cleaning up unused CSS classes in Webflow. Not only does this result in a more efficient project, but it also reflects professional practice in web design, aligning with best practices for maintaining clean and optimal code. Remember, keeping a clean style sheet is just as important as having a visually stunning website. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep your Webflow projects running smoothly with regular maintenance like this.